Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to have a pick of the week for the wallpaper on the desktop. Of course, using always the themes and the themes available in Microsoft Store. So this is the new one. It's called Beach Glow, and as it's pretty much big winter here, we're having several foot of snow on the ground. We thought that we'd warm things up with nice sandy beaches. So if you want to check out the latest, simply go in Windows 11 and Windows 10 also into your Settings app. You can right click on the Start menu, go into Settings here, go into Personalization, and in there you'll go into Themes. What you want to do is, of course, go and get more themes from the Microsoft Store. So you'll browse the themes here, and it's going to bring you to the store where the themes are for the wallpapers. So search for, if you want to have the same one, you can choose another one in there, of course. But if you want to have the same one, the one I got here is Beach Glow. So you can click on it. You can click the Install button to get it installed. It's already installed on mine. I don't know why it says install again. And there, after it's installed, you'll have that option available in the theme. So all you have to do is simply go back to your personalization once it's installed in the settings. Then simply go into the personalization and to the themes again. Now, if you have many themes, what I hate of Windows 11 particularly is the fact that they're all small pictures without any names. So you'll have to find it, but here it is for me. It has the two palm trees here. Beach Glow, 18 images. You click on it, double click, it will install it. Then, if you want to tweak it, because I always tweak it, what I do is go back into personalization on the left. In the background, I change the change picture every minute. I change that to 6 hours personally. You can put 1 hour or whatever. The reason I don't keep it 1 minute is that it actually bogs down the system. And on a gaming laptop, that minute change when you're playing a game actually creates a small time where the game will just barely freeze a little bit, enough to notice. So I put this every 6 hours instead to make sure that it doesn't happen. And of course, I go also in personalization, go into the colors, because I want to have the taskbar in the different windows follow the background theme colors of the pictures. So what I do is I make sure that in the settings I turn on the show accent color in start and task, show accent color in title bars and borders. Make sure that that's there, and make sure that the accent color is set to automatic. This will follow the colors of the different pictures. So depending on how the general coloring of the picture is, your taskbar, your different windows that you use, and even some of the text and the sliders will actually follow the theme and the picture in the background in its general colors. And there we go. We've got nice pictures here of sandy beaches. And this is, of course, cool. Next desktop, this is this one. So it's kind of sunsets, basically, with beaches around. Very beautiful pictures in here. So if you want to check it out, it's also available in Windows 10, like I said. So simply go to your settings and find the proper beach glow wallpaper. In Windows 10, it's the same thing. You simply go to make sure that you change the time and you change the picture, the colors and the background. Also in the personalization and the themes that you get. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.